Okay, family and friends, here you have it, my beautiful, the juicy looking, scrumptious jerk chicken off the grill. Hi, family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today I hope you guys are doing well. Let me be respectful. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Um, today I feel like no, not well. Today I'm going to season up some chicken. I have some leg quarters that I am going to season for jerk. And this is how I do it. Everybody else do theirs different. So, all we are not the same thing. You can tweak whatever somebody else do, but I'm just showing you guys how I prepared for my family. Now, in this bowl here, I have about 10 pieces of leg quarter right here, clean and everything. I left some fat on it, so when you go up on the grill, it just nice and dissolve, add a little extra moisture. So I have half a cup of water here. This is a half a cup of water. I have a tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of black pepper, a half a tablespoon of allspice, and 1.5 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I'm going to, when I put everything together, I'm going to taste for salt and all of that, because I'm going to let it stay, it's not going on the grill today. It's going to be marinating overnight or seasoned overnight. I have some brown in here. And then I have some spring. Oh, excuse any noise in the background. My kids are up player. I have some spring of onion, a heaping tablespoon of onion and garlic mix, 2 large green onion, 2 peppers, 1 green and 1 yellow, and 1 onion here. I have here. So we're going to put, and I have my my NutriBullet. I'm not supposed to know what that, but not enough to tell on the name of that. I'm going to take out the stem of the pepper, just there, and I want, okay, there you go. I'll just put all of this in here so without the garlic mixture falling off. I hope you guys are doing well. Seriously, like here in Florida today, it's hot. It's hot outside, guys. I'm not lie, out there hot today. It was hot yesterday, and it's like as the days go by, it's getting hotter and hotter. So I'm gonna just dump all this in here. All right, and then I'm gonna add the water in. I might need some more water, I'm not sure yet. And then a little tip of browning just to give it that color, but not too dark. And then I'm going to add some coconut oil in here. It's like a binding ingredient, so I need the oil. So I'm gonna add about this much coconut oil in there. And I hope you guys got all that. So all of that is in there. Yes, doing too, but I just wanted to stop and do this so I can put it away in the fridge. I don't like my meat sitting out too long on my counter. So close this up. Okay, let's check for consistency and also consistency and also the color. It's not that strong because I have to be mindful of the boys. But the custard, they look like that. Let me taste it. Seasoning is there. You could have used a little bit more pepper, but the slow burn is there. Yeah, it's a coming. The pepper is, the more longer it stays in my mouth, I'm feeling it. Some people add the browning on the chicken, but I just want to get everything in. Okay, so I add some more browning. Yes, man, that pepper coming. I don't want no more pepper. We like spice, but not to where you cannot enjoy your food, if you don't know what I mean. All right, see here. Nice. So let's get stuck. Okay. So there it is, and then the consistency is beautiful. Yes, yes, yeah. The dog's another year today. She get up and she said, "Mommy, I'll be back." I said, "Okay, mom." Okay, so this is my chicken. I'm gonna have to drain off some more of that water because I don't want too much water on there. So this is the chicken, nice and clean, about 10. But not too dark. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Should I set my record now? Hold on. All right. Oh Lord, probably got too much there now. Jeez. All right. All right. All right. See them. Probably later on tonight before I go. Okay, guys, family and friends. So this is how I do my chicken for jerking on the grill. Look at that. All nice and moist. All I season just sit on the thing, and I do the thing. So see there. All right. So next time you guys see me, I'll be on the grill cooking this up. Okay, family and friends, how you guys? So welcome back to your channel today. It's a beautiful day outside. We're outside on the grill. Y'all excuse my grill. It's outside in the elements and all this stuff. So I hope you guys are having a good day. So right now my grill is at what, 325 or 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 325, something like that. Okay, so I have both burners on. I shouldn't, because my grill is crazy. That sucker will start acting a fool on me. So I gotta monitor it. I can monitor it from the kitchen. So I have my leg quarters here. You guys know that was seasoned from yesterday, overnight. I took them out early this morning so I can get room temperature. So I am just going to put them on. And what I'm going to do is interlock them together. So I have space. Smells so good. Smells good, good. Yeah, like that. Okay guys, so 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes is up. See what them look like. It looks so poor. Look at that. Nice and juicy still. I'm gonna flip on. It's looking good. Look at that. Sorry for the noise. how they're looking now. So I'm gonna give this side another 30 minutes. But I have to keep a close eye on the grill. I didn't have to when this side was down because it's the skin side and the skin going to drip oil and all that good stuff. So you just, I don't know if you guys can see some of the flames are coming up, but I'll be back in another 30 minutes. Y'all gonna hear that thunder probably. So I hope y'all can see this because it got dark. So I'm at the 30 mark. I'm gonna flip these again. The skins are coming off. It's windy. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm in Florida, honey. So let my daughter bring her phone. I hope y'all can hear me. If not, just enjoy this goodness, good looking chicken. Let's pick it up. Okay. All right, you guys. So, oh, I don't want to do no crazy people. So that's another. Give me another 30. I'm gonna give these another 30 minutes out here. And so now we're at what, 1 hour? Yeah. So I'll be back in another 30 minutes. Okay, family, I'm back. So since the last time, look at this. Beautiful red, wet, everything. Oh, my camera stand got wet. So here is my chicken. These should be done. It's been now 1 hour and 30 minutes out here. And my kids standing in the window watching me. I sure they think somebody. I'm gonna flip them one more time. I don't want them to be too dried out. That's the thing. I like them when they're nice and juicy. Oh, the wind is blowing too. I don't want to be too wet. So I had to turn on the patio light just to get some light. My camera stand got wet. I was in the house when the rain came down. So, alright. I'm going to let these stay for another 30 minutes because I like my chicken cooking up. I'm going to play with chicken. That's one meat I don't play with. So, even nowadays you can't play with none of them. But I'm going to leave this on for another 15 to 30 minutes. Come back and take them off. And then when you see me again, I will be placing. Hey, family and friends, here you have it, my beautiful, juicy looking, scrumptious jerk chicken off the grill. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification, and also that like button. And until next time, please don't forget to take care of yourself and each other and be safe. Bye. Okay, family and friends, dinner is served. I went ahead and served my jerk chicken with some rice and peas, some slaw, and tomatoes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.